Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for South Bank. It's a small cap and right now it is trading at 30 rupees 85 price. Most of our investors has invested in the stock. Why? Because first thing, the price of the stock is very low, and second thing, it is a this particular stock has been in the news and it is in the banking sector, and which has this particular sector has got recently a very big boost from the Indian government. So most of the national banks, I mean, most of the banks stocks have because of this boost that the government has given, the price of the stock of the national banks have increased. And it's not just national banks; other banks also, somewhat around. They had increased, but South Bank, particularly the price of this particular stock of South Bank is since it is very because it is very low and I mean below 100 rupees. It is quite. It has been a quite attractive this thing, and so many people had invested in had bought lakhs and lakhs of shares of South Bank. So, in this regard, and based on the recent changes that has happened, from the government side and from the people's perspective, all these things. Considering all these things, I had decided to do some. To do the technical analysis for South Bank. Okay, right now what you are seeing is the monthly chart of South Bank. You can see the price trend history of the South Bank, along with a few technical indicators that I am using to do the analysis. I'm using RSI, MACD, Momentum, IDX, and Super Trend, Darvas, etc., etc. Moving average also I'm using. Okay, in the initial glance itself, what I'm seeing is like I got a small this thing like. Uh, that South Bank is not going anywhere. That is a initial this thing initial what do you say? The moment I look at this particular the trend of the stock, the price history of the stock, I am getting that initial feeling that that South Bank is not moving anywhere. Actually, it is just doing some sort of time pass, like with a side with a lot of sideway movement. This time pass has been happening since 2011. That's what I'm saying, and nowhere significant price rise is happening, and nowhere I'm not saying that the investors are getting. I mean, whoever is the long term, I'm talking from the long term investor point of view. I'm not talking from the day trader. I'm not talking day trading. I'm not talking from the swing trading point of view. I'm talking here. I'm talking from the long term investment point of view. So, guys, you need to understand there are different strategies for different kind of trading. Okay, in these videos I am focusing only on the long term investment of the South Bank, and as per from that perspective this bank is not going anywhere. That is the conclusion. I let you know. I can go through the technical indicators also here and do the analysis here itself. But the point is, if you look at it's very simple. There is no need to dig deep here. See, I have data here since 2009. Actually, in 2009, it hit its bottom, and that time it was trading at nearly 4 rupees, and after that it went up. It peaked up. That's what I can say. And that time it was trading at 26 rupees 50 paise. That's it. I mean, more or less, the so far the highest peak price that it has reached is 31 rupees 70 paise. That's it. And when it has reached this one, it was in 2014. And after that, it went down again. It went up again, went down, and there is a lot of sideways movement, but nowhere it crossed its peak price. I mean, the previous peak price, 31 rupees 70 rupees. That's it. And this from this point, from 2010 November to 2017 October 30th. Okay, this particular stock has been moving sideways. There is no point from long term perspective. There is no point in discussing about the stock at this moment unless we can see some significant change in the price movement of the stock. Okay, so the conclusion is this particular stock is not good for long term investment. People who had invested in this particular stock might not have given much in all these years. So it is so right now I put this stock under wait and watch mode. Please don't invest in this stock at the moment from long term perspective. So that is the conclusion. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.